How to see most recent post on a Facebook group in the 2021. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, you have to open any of the group that you want to see the most recent post, and after that you have to scroll down. So you have to scroll down till you see the new activity. So here you can see in the under the see all button you can see the new activity. So in the right beside the new activity you can see the sort. So you have to click on the sort, and when you click on the sort button, so here it is saying that new activity or recent post. So you have to go through the recent post in the bottom. So click on the recent post, and it is saying showing all the recent posts here. So that's basically it, that how you can see the most recent posts on, and here it is all the recent posts that you want to see. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.